Biodiversity is a word we use to describe the incredible variety of life on our planet. It captures that variety at many scales, from the diversity of habitats and ecosystems across the globe, such as forests, grasslands, river systems or oceans, to the tiny variations in genetic code that lead to differences within individual species, such as eye colour, flower scent or body size. This genetic diversity is important because it gives species the capacity to adapt and survive in changing conditions. Most frequently, we use the word biodiversity to describe the number of species in a habitat or ecosystem. But behind this simple definition lies a complex reality. In any habitat or ecosystem, there are thousands of relationships between species which keep the system alive. Let's think about this forest. There are numerous functional relationships which support the continuation of this forest as a living, thriving system. The trees support birds which shelter in them and feed on their fruit or nuts. The birds feed on tree pests to keep the tree healthy and help the trees spread their seeds through the forest via a nice dollop of manure. Bees move through the understory, pollinating the flowering plants, maybe nesting in the trees or in the leaf litter below. Insects live on the trees and plants and provide food for small mammals. Mice make nests that bumblebees move into when they have left. Invertebrates, fungi and bacteria break down dead plants and animals to release nutrients. The soil invertebrates, such as worms and beetles, move nutrients through the soil. And mycelium links plants and trees together to distribute nutrients through the forest community. Nothing operates in isolation. The whole system offers food, fuel and oxygen for all of us. We need the whole system and all its component parts. However, we are facing a huge biodiversity crisis. All over the world, species are declining and the relationships are breaking down, and this is largely because of human behaviour. So what have we done that has caused this decline? Scientists have identified 5 major things. We have changed land use. Our intensive farming has removed natural habitats. We have covered biodiversity-rich areas with cities and built roads between them. This has led to habitat fragmentation and habitat loss, as well as reduced species richness. We have overhunted and overfished, taken too much wood from the forests, and taken wild species and trafficked them. This has led to population declines and local or global extinctions. Human-induced climate change is leading to species stress, habitat mismatch, and increased extinction risk. We have polluted our world with plastics, pesticides and excess nutrients damaging our ecosystems. And we have taken species from their native countries to new places where they have become invasive and damaged their new environment. This is the cost of our actions, but it is not the end of the story. We know what needs to be done. We need to cut emissions and tackle pollution, farm with nature, not against it, halt the damage and restore what we have lost. But it's not happening fast enough or big enough, because real change is hard. We need to rethink how we live, how we work. Like our forest that flourishes when every species plays its part, it means everyone getting involved. Policymakers can't act alone, they need fresh voices, bold ideas. Wildlife groups can't save nature on their own, they need the whole community behind them. This is a moment for all hands on deck. Our future depends on it.